Happy Friday, Brian Manning here with the weekly update. Let's get right to it. So Monday this week, pretty quiet news day, not much to talk about there. Tuesday, we started to see a sell-off in the stock market, which has accelerated throughout the rest of this week. Starting to see a little bit of calming down there, but definitely a huge sell-off in stocks there, which actually did benefit the bond market and helped us out in mortgage rates. Wednesday of this week, as with every single Wednesday, we get Mortgage Bankers Association reports on mortgage applications. So on a week over week basis, mortgage applications for purchase transactions are up 2%. And on a year over year basis, they're actually flat. So it's amazing to see on a year over year basis, purchase applications for mortgages being flat because you have interest rates that are about 1% higher than where they were 1 year ago. So still seeing a consistent and strong market for purchase mortgage transactions. We also got FHFA reports that FHFA measures inflation on homes across the nation with conforming mortgages. And it was down a little bit. On a year-over-year basis, it went down from 6.4% to 6.1%. But I really think that we're probably going to see inflation moderate out between the 5 and 5.5% range. It's bound to happen. And we're probably just moving on the path that we thought we'd get to with a little bit lower inflation. So not a horrible report. We also got new home sales. New home sales, not a great report, but it only makes up 10% of the marketplace for purchase transactions. It's usually a pretty volatile report, and new home sales was down 5.5%. So that's just something we'll have to wait and see what happens again next month. And then really good, we got pending home sales. Pending home sales is homes that are under contract, and it's a really great way for us to keep our finger on the pulse of what's going on. On a year-over-year basis, pending home sales are only down 1% right now nationwide. Again, lack of inventory, mortgage rates being 1% higher, not really horrible to see pending home sales down 1%. One last thing, our Fall Fiesta is coming up Thursday, November 8th, going to be at Tiaco here in Boulder from 5 to 9 p.m. We'd love to have you come out. Please go to our website and RSVP. Happy Friday. Have a great day.